It's right, hey, them elk are right up there. And they're gonna come down right over here. That's the game plan. Watch for them rattlesnakes.
You watch those rattlesnakes.
I'm telling you.
You know, I walked right out the kitchen door this morning and saw one.
Yeah, you did. Okay, it's early September and Ed and I are bow hunting right here at the Elk Ranch, and we no more got in the stand and started bugling, and this bull come plumb across the field, and it didn't take him 5 minutes. I had no idea he was going to shoot. Good bull. You just stuck a monster bull. That is a freaking nice bull. Just standing there. Just standing there. You know, you always hear about when you shoot an animal, wait a while before you go after it. Well, this is a great example of why that is true. This animal shot a little forward, and he's just sitting there and walking around, and I keep cow calling and bugling to keep him interested and try to keep him within sight. But he slowly goes up into the bushes. Now, if we'd have got out and chased this bull, we'd have never found the bull. He's going down. Just like, what is the date of today? The 6th? 6th of September?
Yes, sir.
And if you don't think it's good hunting, you have to wait till the rut. You don't have to wait till the rut to get out here. You know, it's just the way you talk to these animals, you know. When they're ready, they're gonna come.
Oh, he was ready. He was coming hard.
He was coming to kick some butt.
As you can see, that's the reason you don't go after one. He's kind of hurt, so you don't go after him. We watched him till he kind of walked up in the brush. I think it was a pass through. Do you think it's a pass through?
It's a pass through for sure.
So anyways, we had 2 crews here watching him. That sucker, that was nice.
That was awesome. That was an awesome job.
I don't see how. I was sitting on the opposite side of Ed. Ed had to lean over in this stand. I mean, he's right-handed. I don't see, you had to shoot right over my shoulder.
I tapped over, he said, it's coming over your shoulder.
Oh well, let's go back and wait a couple hours. This is nice. Well, we got to wait a while.
Nice bull.
I was shaking. I was trying to watch him through the binoculars and I couldn't even.
I bet you were shaking. I was shaking.
When he busted the tree line, Nate said, here he comes. And I said, there he is. Both at the same time. He picked up the radio and he goes, here he comes, here he comes.
I tried telling you guys he was coming, but
no, we didn't hear it.
He was on the move. That's for sure.
He was running. He was wide.
Oh, yeah, wide.
Goodness. I didn't realize how big he was till after he shot and he ran off. At that point, I was like, oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah. That's a good time right there.
Whew.
Give him an hour and we'll go back and meet him.
Got to get that blood scent dog that was on TV last night. I don't think we're going to need him.
I don't think we're going to need him.
He didn't go very, he's not going very far. He's hurting too bad. This
dust,
this dust and allergies have me. I was holding it and I just, it hit and it wouldn't come out, and that's when he ran off.
Oh, he took off.
Because I started coughing, yeah.
Yeah, this is good times right here.
You know, we backed out this morning because the bull walked off in the bushes there, and Ed had to get back to Texas. So, we took the crew in, some of our guides, and we found the elk, packed it out. So if you're looking for a great elk hunt right here in Colorado, give us a call at the Elk Ranch.